Hello, it's Tag Tuesdays. How are you all doing? Still got this stinking cold. It's all great fun. But yesterday the sun was shining, so I'm hoping it's going to continue like that today. Really do, it'd be lovely. Look at this lovely image I found. I've got to kind of think of something to do that because it's lovely and spring-like. So Tag Tuesdays, I've done masterboard madness as well. So I have lots of masterboards that I've been using up. This is one that I've turned, it's not tags. It was a bit that I was using up from an old magazine page that had no images in it, but it's quite a cute little envelope, I think, that I can use. But I need to finish off. Again, this was from a calendar, just bits and pieces, you know, but I'm thinking this is a little something that I can send to someone to put my fodder in that I've made, because I like doing happy mail, so, you know. So these are what I've made with my masterboards. This was one masterboard. So I've made this nice little tab. I think it's quite nice anyway. Might need some words on it. But nice bit of there. This would be lovely in white marker paint. Would be really nice, but that's really grungy. That's my kind of thing. Couple of belly bands. This has gone a little bit astray here. My cutter's not working very well, by the way. I don't know why. I've changed the blade and I don't know, it's just not a very good one. So a couple of those. That's my tag. That's another tag that I'm going to pop in there. But I'm not going to do anything with that, I don't think. This one, when I get near the end of sewing something and I have some like bobbin left over, I just use the bobbin up, and that's my favourite stitch always. Always my favourite. I finished off these boho ones. This was from my boho masterboard. This is real silk, tiny scraps. Oh, did you get on there, cheeky? Yeah, real silk scraps. So that was good. That was making quilt shaped leftovers with that. So there's some. They're completely different, aren't they? And then that was my overlay tissue paper that I finished off and, you know, done the edges with that. So that one is the rest of this masterboard with a little bit of tissue. I've got to glue that there. And I'm going to turn that into a small mini book to go inside something. Not many signatures, just a mini board. And that's my last masterboard I made that I've turned into yet another journal cover ready to be filled. I've got about 3 of these now ready to take my advantage. I'm thinking that needs a lovely black button there. Something really grungy. So yeah, that's my tags that I've made that are completely different to each other. Aren't they? They're just nothing there. Anyway, that is my Tag Tuesdays, and I hope you have a lovely one anyway. I'm not sure I've made that many tags this week, to be honest, but enough for my piles. I need to I think I need to start making a little pile, like little boxes. That could be good. You could just do like tag swapping. I mean, how exciting would that be? Anyway, I'll see you again soon. Bye.